Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Aujourd'hui, on va voir comment conjuguer quelques verbes du troisième groupe au passé composé. Today we are looking at some third group verbs and how to conjugate them in passé composé, that is past tense in French. Past tense in French. So here are some third group verbs. Paraître. Paraître means to appear or seem. Seem. If I say he appears clever or he seems clever. Paraître. Paraître. Naître, connaître, apparaître, disparaître. As you can see, these verbs are in the same family. That is, once you know how to conjugate one, you can easily conjugate the rest. The same thing applicable to venir, tenir, revenir, soutenir et retenir. Once you can conjugate one, you can easily conjugate the rest. Don't forget, passé composé is a tense, as the name implies, used to conjugate verbs or used to express verbs in the past, and it is composed of two different verbs. We have the auxiliary verb, and the main verb. The main verb. And of course, as we've mentioned in past classes, the auxiliary verb that is mostly used for verbs in passé composé is avoir. 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 The other auxiliary verb we have is être. Être. When do we use être? When do we use avoir? Avoir, like I said earlier, is a verb used to conjugate most verbs, is the auxiliary verb used to conjugate most verbs in passé composé. But when do you use être? Why does être exist if we don't use être? Yes, of course, we use être, but we use it with few verbs. For example, verbs that express movement, like aller. Aller, which means to go. To go. And verbs that express movements like venir, venir, which means to come, like retourner, retourner, which means to return, like partir, which means to go, bien, to leave, to leave. Verbs like this take être au passé composé. Take the auxiliary verb être when we want to conjugate them au passé composé. For now, let's come back to these verbs which are in the same family. Now, paraître. Paraître. To conjugate it in passé composé, we use the verb avoir au présent de l'indicatif. And so we say j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont et elles ont. This is the auxiliary verb avoir, conjugated au présent de l'indicatif. Then the main verb paraître. Paraître will be conjugated au participe passé. Participe passé. Participe passé. How do we know the participe passé of this verb? It is paru. 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 J'ai paru. The same thing, tu as paru. We repeat the participe passé all through. Il a paru. Elle a paru. Nous avons paru. Vous avez paru. Ils ont paru. Et enfin, elles ont paru. Très bien. Like I said, these verbs are in the same family. Once you know how to conjugate one, you can easily conjugate the remaining. J'ai paru means I appeared or I seemed. Tu as paru, you appeared. Il a paru, he appeared. Elle a paru, she appeared. Nous avons paru, we appeared, vous avez paru, you all appeared, ils ont paru, they appeared, elles ont paru, they appeared. Now, how do we know how to conjugate the rest? Look for the similar elements amongst these verbs. For example, if you ask me, I would say A-I-T-R-E, 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 être, 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 être. Now come back here. Paraître, paraître. We have par and we have être. This A-I-T-R-E that is similar is the one that was removed when we wanted to conjugate it au participe passé. So we take être away and we add you to give us paru. We do the same thing for the remaining verbs, except this, which is an exception. Connaître. Connaître becomes, once you take A-I-T-R-E away and then you put you, that becomes connu. Connu. The same thing applicable to this. You take A-I-T-R-E away and you put you, that becomes apparu. Apparu. The same thing for this, you take A-I-T-R-E away and you put you, just as we did for this, that becomes disparu. Disparu. Disparaître means to disappear. To disappear. To disappear. So if I want to say he disappeared, I say il a disparu. Il a disparu. Très bien. So we have naître. Naître is an exception. Is an exception. Even though it has the same pattern as the remaining verbs, it doesn't follow this manner of conjugation in participe passé. Don't be surprised. From time to time, we see exceptions in French. Naître, it means to be born. Naître means to be born. Naître is a verb that is exceptional. So the participe passé is né. The participe passé is né. Participe passé is né. So let's see those verbs. These verbs are also similar in that they follow the same pattern of conjugation in participe passé or passé composé. Très bien. So let's take this for example. Tenir means to hold. It means to hold. To conjugate the verb tenir. Tenir. First of all, I take my auxiliary verb, which of course is avoir. 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 I take the auxiliary verb, which is avoir, and I conjugate it au présent de l'indicatif. That becomes j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont et elles ont. Now, tenir. How do we conjugate it? How do we conjugate it? In participe passé. For now, know that it is tenu. So that becomes j'ai tenu. Tu as, of course, the participe passé repeats itself all through. So we say tu as tenu, il a tenu, elle a tenu, nous avons tenu, vous avez tenu, ils ont tenu et elles ont tenu. Très bien. Now, how do we conjugate the rest? Remember, these verbs are the same family. So let's look at the similar elements that exist amongst them. IR, if you ask me, IR, 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 IR. Or better still, NIR, 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 NIR. NIR is the similarity amongst these verbs. So now that you know that this is conjugated as tenu, you can easily conjugate the rest. What do? You look at this. Venir, venir, venir. Now, for the verb tenir, I removed NIR and I added NU, which gave me tenu. Tenu. The same thing is what I'm going to do for the remaining verbs. I remove NIR and I add NU, which gives me venu. So venu is the participe passé of the verb venir. The same thing for the verb revenir. I remove NIR and I add NU, which gives me revenu. 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 The same thing for the verb soutenir. I remove NIR and I add NU, which gives me soutenu. 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 The same thing for this. I remove NIR and I add NU, which gives me retenu. Retenu. Très bien. So let's conjugate one more. Let's take this for example. Soutenir. Soutenir means to support. Soutenir means to support. To conjugate it au passé composé, I first take the auxiliary verb, which is avoir, and I conjugate it au présent de l'indicatif. And that gives me j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, et elles ont. Très bien. Then what do I do next? I add the participe passé. The participe passé, and that becomes j'ai soutenu. Remember, the participe passé stays the same throughout. J'ai soutenu, tu as soutenu. The same thing for il a soutenu, elle a soutenu, nous avons soutenu, vous avez soutenu, ils ont soutenu et elles ont soutenu. Très bien. So try conjugating the rest, especially retenir, revenir et venir. Très bien. On est arrivé à la fin de cette classe. Quelques verbes au passé composé. Je vous verrai dans la prochaine classe. Merci et à la prochaine.